Hi, I'm the Canadian cooking in the USA. We are going to play She Shoots, She Scores, the game-winning recipe. Are you ready? Let's start. Oh. Woo. I guess it's a dessert and a snack. Wasn't that fun? I hope you enjoyed that. So today, I'm going to show you how to make a really great, healthy snack. I am calling these Trailblazer bars as they're inspired by a very healthy other kind of a treat. See how they kind of look like Aussie Bites? Only they're not. They're a little different. And Aussie bars or Trailblazer bars. Now, I have seen varieties of this recipe using oats, whether they be whole oats, old-fashioned oats, and the like, and you pulse them into little fine, a new kind of a flour. I've tried those, and I'm not satisfied. They can be made better and added more nutritional value even still. Also, I found those to have lots of seeds, and if you have sensitive teeth or not really like biting and then have that in your teeth, why not maybe do another little customization? So, before we do put credit where credit's due, I like to shout out to a friend that inspired this very creation, and I'll leave a little link below and you can check all that about. These actually are a spin-off of the Aussie Bite, and Aussie Bites are very, very healthy. Did you know that you can get them at Costco? And they have dried fruits, nuts. They incorporate a whole bunch of healthy protein-rich ingredients. So one of the ingredients that you're going to need for this, I have found Muesli. This is excellent as a dry cereal. Europeans have this for breakfast just by itself. And there's the flaxseed, there's pumpkin seed. Leave another little section in my link underneath. So why don't we just get started? This is what you're going to need. 1 pack of Muesli fruit and seed hot or cold cereal. You're going to need some pecans. You're going to need some walnuts. You're going to need some coconut flakes because it wouldn't be good without that. Some raisins. Now you can use the golden raisins or dark raisins, or maybe like I like both, a little bit each. Just kind of nice. We're just going to gently combine all of this until it is mixed. So you might remember this tray. I used this in a video before making Miracle on Ice. Jello, Canada, that one. We are going to use the same pucky tray to make these little pucky snacks. And I should mention at this point, you might be looking over my shoulder going, what's with the colors? With the PWHL, that is the Women's Professional Hockey League, kicking off in their second season, I am dedicating these as being Trailblazer Bites. Try saying that a couple times. And Trailblazer bars. So I'm going to make a double batch, one with little bites and one with bars. So that's going to make nice 12 Trailblazer bars and 24 little pucky snacks. So to start, I'm using 4 cups of European muesli. Okay, so that goes into our bowl. Next, we are going to need half a cup of raisins. You're just going to be happy. Okay, put whatever raisins you want in there. Moving on. Add that to our bowl next. Yum. We are now going to add a variety of our nuts, like pecans and walnuts. Now you can break them up as little or as big as you like. So I'll show you what I do. You This is just what I do. So the walnuts, see how chunky they are? I just throw them in a bag, and then I finish measuring all the other things. So in this case, pecans also. So here are pecans or pecans into the bag. And we also need the same amount of coconut flakes, but I don't have to pulverize these. So I just put them in my zippy bag, right, just like that. Now you can smack it with a spoon, or maybe a rolling pin might be better. So I'm just going to do that right now because it's really loud. I'll be right back. There, see, that's a little better. And then we add this to our bowl next. Now, let's not forget the 1/2 cup shredded coconut flakes. I love coconut. Every athlete is always conscientious of protein, and you can bump up your protein in this. This is a nice enhancer. Once again, we are using 1/2 cup of this, and I like wheat germ. Wheat germ is also good on cereal. It's a good supplement. So we're using the same amount of each once again. And this is the last of our dry ingredients. But I almost forgot. A little baking soda. 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda. That's like magic. Our wheat germ. Now, if you don't like wheat germ, you don't have to add it, including vitamin E, vitamin A, and folate. All right, so we have that and our nutritional yeast. And that's it for our dry ingredients. Now, for the liquid ingredients, you're going to need a separate bowl, like another Tupperware bowl or whatever you have, right? And something to stir it with. Now, one of the sweetest ingredients known on the planet next to maple syrup is maraschino cherries, and that is one of our next ingredients. The cherry juice flavor just makes it taste like more. So you are going to need 2/3 liquid of what you can find in your cherry jar. Next, you'll also need 1/2 cup of melted butter or margarine, whatever you have, and just put it in the microwave like 9, maybe 8 seconds and let it do its thing. Just be patient or you might have it pop. Stir. Next, we need to add 1/2 cup of vegetable oil. You need to add 1/4 cup of maple syrup. This is going to help make it sticky and also sweet. After this, we need 1/4 cup again of some honey. And this is our honey. Now it'll pour out easier having the maple syrup in there. Don't forget your vanilla extract. So while I'm stirring this, if you've tried Aussie Bites before, let me know in the comments section below. Or if you have a favorite recipe, something like this, give me a shout back. Let me know, because I always like to improve things and make things better. Especially for us folks that like to tinker in the garage and kitchen. So here's our liquid. I put it in the microwave for another 10 seconds. And I think we're ready to mix everything together. If your mixture gets a little dry, you might want to add maple syrup. Yum! Oh, this is going to be good. I'm almost done and I haven't even been in the kitchen in an hour. That's pretty good. These are now ready to be scooped into those little shapes and then cook for 10 minutes or less in your oven. Or you could even use a toaster oven if you really had to, at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm putting a light brushing of coconut oil on my silicone tray pan, only to let it flex a little easier to pop out each bar without tearing them. Not that they'll tear, but just in case. With just cherries on. Half cherry. See how beautiful that is? This might give you an idea for later on towards Thanksgiving or other occasions. Be sure to press each one down and then put on M&M. So each of the colors of the Professional Women's Hockey League is here except purple. And I thought I shouldn't bake with a Skittle, but you get Skittles in purple color. Anyways, you can have fun with this. I'm going to pop these into the oven right now and keep my eye on them about 8 minutes. If it needs another minute, add another minute. Okay, 10 minutes. And the timer is starting. I almost spilled my coffee. It's ready. Yum. I'm going to just take these out now, and we'll have a piece together. Fresh, hot out of the oven. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? We need to let these cool as well. Completely, like maybe 20 or more minutes. Doesn't that look good? These are Trailblazer Bites, inspired by Aussie Bites. And that reminds me of something. If you like my channel so far, maybe consider subscribing. Give it a like and share it to that hockey friend. Well, let's take a bite together. Yeah, this one's a blue one. Honey, maple syrup. You can't go too far wrong with a healthy snack with maple syrup in it. These are going to go fast. Look at those. Those are the Trailblazer bars with Maraschino Cherries, or half Maraschino Cherries. Trailblazer Bites and Trailblazer Bars. That's it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, do take care and au revoir.